Hey there, foot fanatics! Are your heels looking like the Grand Canyon, all dry and cracked? Well, it's time to transform those rough, rugged heels into silky smooth beauties right from the comfort of your home. Get ready to walk on clouds with these fast and fabulous home remedies. Let's jump straight in. Remedy 1. Soak and scrub. First things first, let's give those feet a good soak. Fill a basin with warm water and add half a cup of Epsom salt. Soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes to soften the skin. Science bit. Epsom salt helps to exfoliate and soothe the skin, while the warm water softens the hard, dry areas, making it easier to scrub away dead skin cells. After soaking, use a pumice stone or foot file to gently scrub away the dead skin. Focus on the cracked areas, but be gentle to avoid causing any damage. Remedy 2. Moisturize with honey. Honey isn't just for your tea. It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. After soaking and scrubbing, apply a thick layer of honey to your heels. Cover with socks and leave it on overnight. Sweet science. Honey has antibacterial properties and can help heal wounds and keep your skin hydrated. You'll wake up with softer, smoother feet. Remedy 3. Coconut oil overnight treatment. Coconut oil is a wonder product for skin hydration. Before you hit the hay, slather your feet with coconut oil, put on some cozy socks, and let the oil work its magic overnight. Tropical tip. The fatty acids in coconut oil deeply moisturize and repair cracked skin. Plus, it has antifungal and antibacterial properties to keep your feet healthy. Remedy 4. Banana foot mask. Got a ripe banana? Don't throw it away. Use it as a foot mask. Mash one banana and apply it to your heels. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Banana bonus. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the skin, and their natural oils help to hydrate and soften tough, cracked heels. Remedy 5. DIY Shea Butter Balm. Whip up a simple shea butter balm to give your feet a luxurious treat. Mix equal parts shea butter and coconut oil and add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Massage this balm into your heels every night before bed. Shea Science. Shea butter is packed with vitamins A and E, which help repair and rejuvenate skin. The coconut oil adds an extra moisture boost, and lavender oil has a soothing effect. Bonus tips for maintaining smooth feet. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Wear the right shoes. Avoid tight or uncomfortable shoes that can cause friction and lead to cracked heels. Regular maintenance. Make foot care a regular part of your routine. A weekly soak and scrub can prevent cracks from forming. Final step. So, there you have it. 5 fantastic remedies to banish those cracked heels and say hello to smooth, soft feet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Happy feet make happy people.